line, steel horses side by side. It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed, rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw game.
Oh, is it actually diesel?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
What is it, like a little APU motor?
No, I don't know. It was a generator, just a regular generator,
Oh.
diesel powered generator. That I traded a regular generator for.
Oh, wow. All right, what's your name? Brandon.
Brandon
It
Davis.
says,
Yes, sir.
and you built the WeePete.
Yes, sir.
And what'd you build it out of?
So it originally, we started building in January 2020, and we were trying to build it for the Joplin Ford Chrome State show, and we had 9 months to get it done. And so I started with a flat bottom go-kart. We kept the front axle and the steering column out of it, just because I didn't think I'd be able to build it all from scratch within that short time. And so we cut it from about where the air cleaners are forward is all original from that go-kart. And then I added everything from back and up. The trailer's 100% scratch. And then we got it done in time. The show got canceled, but we ended up going to some other shows that year. And then we've had to go back and change out the steering for rack and pinion steering and things like that, make it easier to maneuver. But that was where it kind of was born, was out of a flat box go-kart.
That's pretty awesome. Who drives it?
My little boy, Rooster.
There's your boy,
Yeah.
that's his name. All right, because
Yeah.
I got the video up here that people were watching, I'm sure.
Yeah, he just left. He went to walk around. He gets a little overwhelmed with all the celebrityness,
Oh, yeah.
He gets tired
yeah.
of shaking babies and kissing hands, or kissing babies and shaking hands, whatever he says.
All right, well, we're gonna link to your YouTube, and I'll take a picture
Cool.
of top here
Yeah,
that has all your
appreciate it.
handles. But
Yeah.
hey, thanks a lot, man.
problem.
It's really awesome. This was the best part of our show, we think.
Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the shit.